Good morning. Good morning. Oh, it's not morning, it's afternoon. I'm so used to doing my live streams first thing in the morning that I didn't realize how late it is. Hey guys. So I thought it'd be a little self-care day for me this morning. So I took the extra time. Good morning. I took the extra time to do a little self-care to rejuvenate my body, to rejuvenate my skin. Good morning. Before I did my detox drink. And now that it's time, girls, I'm doing a live stream. Now that it's time for me to eat, I need to go ahead and get my detox drink out the way so I can enjoy breakfast. So what did I do this morning to give myself a little TLC? I did dry brushing. So I used a dry brush with sesame seed oil. So I dry brushed towards my heart. Whenever you dry brush towards your heart. Get your blood circulating going. Get your skin popping. Girls, I am doing a live stream. They can hear you. Sorry about that. So after you dry brush, you put sesame seed oil on your body, because what sesame seed oil does is take the detoxification even further. So then you put the sesame seed oil on your body, you leave it on for 5 minutes, and then you take a shower. You wash yourself off and you feel amazing. Your skin feels good, your body feels good, you feel your blood flowing through your system. So especially those that have problems with circulation, you definitely want to take time to do dry brushing. After I did my dry brushing this morning, I took some time and did a facial mask, and I combined rose clay, moringa, and bentonite clay with a little bit of sesame seed oil and apple cider vinegar and water, and I did a facial mask, and I took a picture. So if you look at my Insta stories on Instagram and Facebook, you'll see the picture of the mask that I did, the dry brush that I used, the sesame seed oil. So everything that I did for my self-care, you can see it on the Insta stories. So to quickly do my detox drink before I go and eat, we're gonna do the claws minus one ingredient plus another ingredient, and I'll explain. So C for cayenne pepper for circulation, which is even gonna help what I did this morning with the detox. With the dry brushing, having the cayenne pepper on the inside, moving my circulation, also doing the dry brushing on the outside, I'm getting both ways of circulation for my system, the dry brush and the cayenne pepper. And if you missed the beginning, watch the replay. I talked about some things that I did this morning to give myself a little TLC before I got my day started. I wanted to get my glow popping. I wanted to get my skin radiant. So you have to do little things to get your skin to the point that you want it to be. So I did that. So for the drink, C for cayenne pepper, L for lemon for exfoliation, A for apple cider vinegar. Remember, you always want to do this before you brush your teeth, but today I brushed my teeth before doing it, so it will be fine because I don't do that often. That's probably the second time in 30, I think today's day 35. Actually, let me pin it here. Today is day 35. Hey, hold on. Today's day 35 of this detox drink, and only twice did I have this drink after brushing my teeth. So it's not really gonna affect my teeth, but you really need to drink it 30 minutes before. Let me get a little water. Go ahead and chuck this down. You know, for me, I have to take the apple cider vinegar on the side because it affects my enamel. So apple cider vinegar, W for water, I already have the water in here. S for sweetener, you know with me, getting rid of parasites. I'm not gonna add the sweetener. Hi Dad, how are you? I meant to call you yesterday and I forgot. I'm gonna come see you today. So for me, you know I'm doing the parasite cleanse. So I'm taking away the sweetener and I'm adding diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth, which is food grade. And this is it. It helps to release parasites and kind of get all the stuff that shouldn't be on your system. It grabs it and pull it down. And then I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. That helps for smooth elimination. And it helps things flowing as they should be. So I'm going to get a few announcements out the way. Tomorrow, I am doing, good morning. Tomorrow I'm doing my Detox the Hair live stream demo. So if you want to learn how to detoxify your hair, and I'm not sure what else we'll be going over, but I know Toriel and I will be doing a live stream on detoxing the hair and really kind of teach you some ways to detox your hair using clays and other things you could use in your hair, live foods to nourish your hair. You can watch my journey. Good morning. You can watch my detox journey on YouTube called Donata Skinfood. So take some time. I see you guys watching my videos on YouTube, and that's very exciting. Again, every video I share something different with you to kind of help you along this journey. Thank you. And then I'll tell you real quick what I did this morning to help me glow. Also, if you want to be part of the spring detox journey and get the videos that is only exclusive to my email subscribers, be sure you subscribe to my email. All you have to do for Facebook, click the link in my bio. For Instagram, click the link in my bio. Now, tomorrow is the last week of our spring detox series. We had 8 weeks. 2 weeks we covered the mind, 2 weeks we covered the body, 2 weeks we covered the skin, 2 weeks we covered the hair. So it was a full 8 weeks detox series where every Monday night Doriel and I was coming on and sharing information with you to help you learn how to detox your mind, body, skin, and hair. So if you want to get those replays, subscribe to the email. For those that are just joining, I am closely to ending this live stream. If you want to take a moment to look at the very beginning, and I got a comment about me glowing. I did some extra TLC this morning. I did a dry brushing. So I'll take a picture. Yeah, I put pictures on the Insta story. So if you want to take a look, I did dry brushing this morning. I used sesame seed oil to detox my skin. I took a shower. And I also did a facial mask. So if you want to see what I did this morning to kind of get my skin glowing and radiant, to help detoxify my mind, body, skin, and hair, you can look at my Insta stories, okay? Thank you guys for joining me. I so appreciate it. For Facebook, like, share, and well, actually Facebook, just share. Those that are watching my YouTube videos, take the time to not only like, subscribe, but share it with your friends and family, so we all can be on some type of detox journey to help us glow, to help us feel better, to be more mentally stable, and to just be our best. Okay, guys? Thank you guys so much. I'm going to go ahead and drink my detox drink and start my day. Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a blessed Sunday.